Alright, in this problem we're going to use the quadratic formula to find the solution to 2x squared plus 12x plus 16 equals 0. So first we want to identify what a, b, and c are. A is the number in front of x squared, so a is going to be 2. B is the number in front of x, so b is 12. And c is the constant by itself, so c is 16. Now it's important when we do this that one side is equal to 0. If one side is not equal to 0, we can't identify a, b, and c yet. Okay, so the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we're going to substitute in our values for a, b, and c. We're going to say x equals negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 12 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 16. And that's all over 2 times a, which is 2. Okay, so we're going to start to work this out. So we have x equals negative 12 plus or minus 12 squared is 12 times 12, so 144. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 16, well, you have 80 plus 8 times 6, so 80 plus 48 is 128. Okay, and that's all over 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, if we continue to work this out, 144 minus 128 is 16. So we have 12 plus or minus the square root of 16. Sorry, negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 16 over 4. The square root of 16 is 4. So we have negative 12 plus or minus 4 over 4. Now here, notice 12, 4, and 4 are all divisible by 4. So we could rewrite this as negative 3 plus or minus 1. All over 1. We don't really need to write the all over 1. So our two solutions are x equals negative 3 plus 1, so negative 2, and x equals negative 3 minus 1, so negative 4. So our two solutions are negative 2 and negative 4.